Good evening. This is Ken Long, night of July 29th, 2009. I just want to review a couple straightforward trades from today's intraday session in the chat room. The first one was a ready, fire, aim trade in Coca-Cola, symbol KO. Coca-Cola opened strong, found resistance at 50, which has been a traditional resistance for it the last 2 weeks. The market was weak all day today. Coke sold off hard, down to about 49.45. Congestion zone. Had a little doji here. A strong green candle. We bought at the top of this doji. I had about 15 minutes of strength. It zoomed right up to 49.72. Started hesitating here. It was getting to be lunch, and I was hungry, and so we had about 2R in hand. We'd risked a dime, and we'd made 20 cents on 2,000 shares. So cashed that one. And then watched this thing, to our surprise, come all the way back down to where we entered, back into this congestion zone. Instead of bouncing, it sold off harsh, as you can see. I waited for 1, 2, 3 sell-offs. We got our little green 5-minute candle, finding support just about 49.10. A little doji, ended up buying here at 49.12. It moved up to 49.30, and we cashed another 1.5-hour trade inside Coca-Cola. While that was happening, market weakness today was reflected in strength in the inverse double-leveraged emerging markets ETF, EEV. That's the symbol EEV. That was the best performing of all the broad inverse indexes. China was double inverse China was a little better, but EEV is a little broader, and it has a little more volume. So whenever we see SPY suffering like it did today, we're automatically interested in the inverse global ETFs because they are so strongly inversely correlated to SPY. So when SPY is suffering, then these should do much better, and they did. So every time we saw SPY start to fail, we were looking to stalk EEV. We had 2 easy trades in here. We had a congestion zone, and then a breakout on this green candle here. Allowed us an orderly move. So with a stop just below this red candle, 3 red candles down, by the green candle, a penny above that third red candle down, you can see you get a very narrow stop, lots of momentum. You get to no lose very quickly in here. You can make an orderly exit after it's made you 2 to 3R. We have a consolidation, a sharp sell-off, and once again this little stairway to heaven, this little max pain, and then a hook. So we're buying here with a very tight stop. On this candle, we're able to get to no lose. It rewards us all the way up. You get an orderly exit anywhere in here to taste, and you pocket another 2R for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes of open risk. So altogether, with the Coca-Cola trades, a couple of Coca-Cola trades, and a couple trades in EEV here, all 4 trades were winners, netted an easy 5R, and no overnight risk. So there you are. Thanks for your attention.